Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add an admin on TikTok account. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can tap on settings and privacy at very last, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on security and permissions, and after this you can just simply now tap on two-step verification, and make sure that you enable the two-step verification on your phone, email or authenticator app. And after this you can now tap on manage trusted devices, and here you can now add a trusted device, and this is the way you can add admin on TikTok account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.